Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today we're going to be trying out the Kiss magnetic eyeliner versus the Kiss strip lash adhesive. I was cleaning my desk off, which honestly it looks so good. I'm so happy that I actually did that, and I actually forgot I had this. And when I did this video originally where I just tried it out, you guys seem to really like it. I figured I would try it again because I think I only used this like twice. And from what I remember, it's probably the best magnetic liner lash kit that I've ever tried from the drugstore. I kind of want to try and see which one is easier. Is lash glue easier, or is it magnetic eyeliner easier? Usually because I do put liner on before I put lashes on. Not all the time, but it depends on what you're doing. And I kind of want to use this lash glue, which is from Kiss. This is the strip lash adhesive. This lash glue is actually really nice, and it's pretty inexpensive. This is what the magnetic eyeliner looks like. It's pretty nice. The lashes that you get in here are very small, but I'm going to use some Ardell lashes to kind of even out everything, and I'm going to use some Kiss lashes for the glue side. For me personally, I would use glue. I think it's a little bit easier, it's a little bit faster, but we're gonna try it out today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let's jump right into this video. So I just did a wing liner on this side just really quick to get this video started. I just used my Kat Von D tattoo liner that is really good. I just popped that on so that we can get this video moving along. But now I'm going to do the other side. So this side is going to be the glue side, and this side is going to be the magnetic liner. So the call outs for this magnetic eyeliner is that it says that it lasts up to 16 hours, wind resistant, reusable, and it has no smudge. And there's 5 magnets on there. Now the lashes that are in here, like in this kit, are very not dramatic enough for me, so I'm gonna try and use these lashes which came with the Ardell magnetic lashes that I tried a while ago. I might stack them on top of each other just because I'm gonna use a dramatic lash on the glue side so that I don't look crazy. I will link the video where I tried out the Kiss magnetic eyeliner so that I don't have to go through the whole thing, and you can go down there and check it out if you want to. It'll be in the description. So this is what the actual liner looks like. It's a very thin applicator, and it's very pigmented. So I'm just going to do a quick winged liner like this one, and then we'll come back and we will put on the lashes. You get a really nice sharp winged liner. I'm more comfortable with the pen, to be honest with you, but the only thing I don't like about this is that it's so thin, and it's a little bit too not strong enough, I guess. It's very floppy. Like you can basically see it turns all the way over, so to get like a really thick nice wing liner, it's kind of hard. This is really good for just like getting that really sharp line. I'm going to wear the Kiss Lash Couture in the style Sequin. I absolutely love these lashes. As you can see, I'm on my last pair, and I just ordered some from Ulta. I'm gonna pop some glue on here and cut off the ends. This is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and it's latex free. It's clear, which is really nice, so it's gonna dry clear. That is what that looks like. What I've noticed with using this lash glue is you definitely need to let this dry. It's a little bit longer than you would just normal lash glue. So let me pop on some mascara. I'm just gonna grab any mascara and just do a quick coat on both sides. So I'm gonna pop this lash on. That is what that one looks like. Then I'm going to pop on the magnetic ones. I'm going to use these Ardell ones just to see how they look, and then we'll try maybe a different one. Alright, so things are not going great. The Kiss strip lash adhesive, the inner corner was lifting, and then now I can't get the magnetic lashes on. So I'm gonna do another coat of the magnetic eyeliner, and I'm just going to re-glue the lashes. So honestly, things are not going great. Okay, I think we're doing a lot better. I think I just didn't wait for this lash glue to dry, and that's why it was lifting. Maybe that's it, I'm not too sure, but honestly, everything's looking good. I double stacked this Ardell lash with the Kiss lash, so I just put them on top of each other like that, so that it's a little bit more dramatic to match this lash. Just because I double stack these, I definitely feel them. They don't feel as secure as this side. The issue I am having with the magnetic eyeliner is that, and I think I said this in the video where I tried this, is that on the inner corner, when you are doing a winged liner, you try to make the inner corner where the liner goes to be as thin as possible to make your eyes look bigger. So for the inside being so thin, the last magnet doesn't want to stick to it because there isn't enough space, I guess. So, and I did have that problem last time, so that is that magnet is not sticking, but everywhere else it is. So that is what we are looking like right now. I see the pros and cons for both of these sides. I mean, lash glue is definitely not the healthiest thing to put in your eye. It's very toxic. So I get that putting liner on your eye could be a lot healthier for your eye if you have sensitive eyes. But for the lash glue side, sometimes you don't want to wear a liner when you're wearing false lashes, so that could be an issue too. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and then we're gonna do the fan test to see which one stays on or which one is better, and I'll give you my final thoughts. So I figured if I do the rest of my makeup, we'll have a better picture of which one is going to be better. Let me go do the rest of my makeup, and then we're gonna see which one is looking better by the end. So give me 1 sec and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. The rest of my makeup is done. So the lashes are looking pretty good. The glue side isn't lifting anywhere, but the magnetic side is definitely lifting on the inner corner. It's not too bad though. So we're gonna do the fan test. I'm gonna use my pink fan right here, and we're gonna try and see which one is lifting more, which definitely the magnetic side is lifting. You can kind of see if I do that. I keep trying to put it back, but it is kind of hard to do so. Honestly, out of all of the drugstore magnetic liners that I've tried the Idler one, I've tried the Ardell one, I've tried this one. This one's definitely the best one as far as like the application and the way that it sticks to it. But honestly, I just don't think that magnetic liners are so much easier to use. Depending on how sensitive your eyes are, it might be better for you. For me, I personally think that lash glue is a lot easier to use because there are days when I don't want to do liner, and so that can be a little bit tricky for you. But I'm gonna try the fan test and we'll see which one looks better. This fan has like 3 different levels, and this one is on level 1. That's absolutely not doing anything. Level 2, level 3. So definitely this one's lifting. As you can see, it's just like coming off on the ends. This side is doing a lot better. I think what the thing is with a Kiss lash glue is that you have to wait for it to dry completely. I'm a little bit impatient. I think that's why it was lifting in the beginning, but now it's fine. Even if I tug on it, it's not going anywhere. This one, if I tug on it, it's probably going to come off. I took off the Ardell lash just to see how it would look without it. And I'm gonna try with the fan test because maybe just stacking them is a little too much. So let's try it out. Yeah, it came right off. You can see it just like pops off. I personally just don't think any magnetic eyeliner is going to work as good as glue, because you quintessentially want a thin line in the inner corner, because that's what liner's for. Like when you do a wing liner, like the point of it is to make your eyes look bigger. So no matter what liner you use, unless you do a big chunk around, you're always going to have the problem with the magnet lifting on the inner corner because there's not enough product in the inner corner. So for that reason, I just think the glue works better. I also am not like a super fan of the way that magnetic lashes sit on the eye because of the way that the magnets work. You're putting the magnets on, not exactly on the band, you're putting it on the other side, so it's always going to lay like this instead of like this. So you're not going to get as much of a lifting effect like if you would with glue. It's going to lay like this instead of like that. Although I think magnetic eyeliner is definitely an alternative, a safe alternative If you have very sensitive eyes, I just don't think you will have the same amount of security as if you like go out on a windy day. I mean, I've definitely like have done that where I wore the Ardell magnetic liner, and then like I got out of my car and then they were just like gone. Like they just left, like the wind just like took it out. I just don't think you'll have the same security as you would with glue. So that is my final thought. But out of all of the drugstore magnetic liners that I have tried, the Kiss one is definitely the best. I like the applicator. I like that you can get a really good line. It's also a matte eyeliner, so that's also really nice. That is my final thought. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you tried the magnetic eyeliner or this lash glue, and let me know what you think. And if there's anything from Kiss or any lashes or anything like that you want to see on my channel, definitely leave that down below. I really hope you guys have a good one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.